Today in Su's Food Corner, we are celebrating the most happening Indian street food style snacks, that's Maggi, Masala Maggi, and it is perhaps one of the most popular and widely accepted noodles recipe in India with all the variety spices and Maggi taste maker. And the fan following varies to bachelors, working couples, even adult parents. So enjoy this typical recipe, Su's Food Corner special street style Masala Maggi. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome recipe of street style classic Masala Maggi. Here I have few ingredients. So basically I have taken one small carrot, it's roughly chopped, and one small capsicum. I have taken green color bell pepper, that also is roughly chopped. It all depends upon your taste, but these are the common veggies that are used in street style version. So I have taken that. One medium size of onion I have taken, roughly chopped, and half an inch of ginger I have grated it, and 2 green chili I have finely chopped it. Completely depends upon your choice. And yes, I have taken here green peas frozen, around 4 tablespoons, because it's not in season. If you have in season, you can always use the fresh ones. So here I have heated a cast iron skillet on medium high flame, and once it's nicely heated, I have added around 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then to it first goes the green chilies and grated ginger. Just wait for 2 to 3 seconds, and then I'll add the onions to this. And now mix everything. The onions, green chili and ginger give a lovely punch to this recipe, and this need to be roasted on medium high flame for just around 2 to 3 minutes, because we don't want caramelized or golden onion, nothing like that. We just want the onions to be soft, so it will take around 2 to 3 minutes on medium high flame. And yes, as it's a perfect street style recipe, so as it's in normally street recipe, there is no hard and fast rule. Only what matters is the taste, and that's what we are going to have, a classic street style taste. So after 2 to 3 minutes, my onions have started to soften. You can see the color has changed. At this stage, I'll add first the carrots, because carrots need little more time to be cooked. So 2 to 3 minutes on medium high flame, that's it. The carrot would be semi cooked. We don't want a mushy consistency of a Maggi, so veggies should have a perfect crunch. So after roasting for 2 to 3 minutes, this carrots will be done, and I had actually added 1 pinch of salt in the onions. That would just fasten the process of cooking of these veggies. So after 2 to 3 minutes, reduce the flame to low, add the Maggi masala sachet taste maker. For 2 packets, I have added 2 sachets. This is my special twist. I normally add the masala in this roasting phase, so that it gives a nice aroma. In low flame, just roast for 4 to 5 seconds, and then I'll add 1.5 cups of water. For 2 packs of Maggi, regular packs of Maggi, 1.5 cups of water. This is the size of the cup, little larger than the normal teacup, so this I have used. And wait till the water starts to boil. Meanwhile, we'll add other veggies. Increase the flame to highest at this stage, and first goes the capsicum and then the peas. As I have used the frozen peas, that will take way less time to cook. It's almost half cooked. So just give it a mix, and to give that perfect color, because we have already added some veggies, I'll add 2 pinch of turmeric just to balance the color. We don't want the overpowering flavor of turmeric. And salt I'll adjust accordingly, because we have added veggies. So little bit amount of salt I had added while sauteing with onions. Around 1 pinch I had added. So 2 pinch of salt I'll add at this stage. So there goes 2 pinch of salt, and wait till this comes to a boil. That is the amount of time required to be cooked. And this I have taken 2 packet of Maggi. I have just breaked it into half. We don't want the curls to be broken, so just half I have done the packet, and this goes into this mixture. Once it starts to boil, it's very important now, because we don't want a mushy Maggi. So I have added the noodles packet, and wait for just 1 minute till this noodles starts to soften. You can see the sturdiness of this noodles will be gone in just 1 minute. You can see, I'll show you in my video. So this is it. It can be broken now in this way. So just give a nice mix, this soupy mixture and the veggies and Maggi. After mixing, reduce the flame to lowest, cover it and leave for 2 minutes more. That's it. We don't need any more cooking time. In 2 minutes, the vapor does all the magic. The liquid will be absorbed, and this Maggi will be perfectly cooked. You can see after 2 minutes it's almost ready. And now at this stage, It's a Sue's Food Corner special recipe. So for my special twist is that I'll add at this stage, once it's done here, at this stage I'll add 1 teaspoon of butter and black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, and this combination of butter and black pepper powder at this stage will work wonders. Just give it a mix and switch off the flame. Our masala Maggi, veggie masala Maggi is ready, and the last twist of butter will just give a perfect glaze and the noodles will become non-sticky. It's done perfectly. Hot steamy packet of masala Maggi. It's ready to be served. So here I have served it, and as you can see, my noodles have turned out to be perfect. The texture, the consistency, it's all perfect. Classic street style. As I said, you can adjust the veggies according to your wish, and my masala Maggi has turned out to be awesome. I'll just have 1 spoonful of masala Maggi. Look how tempting it's looking. So do try out this recipe, and yes, I have shared 2 to 3 special tips. Do not forget to add 1 teaspoon of butter. That really plays a magic. And yes, there are many recipes of street style Maggi. This one is the classic one, basic one, and of course the most rustic one. So this recipe surely calls for a try. And now it's time for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Ansigma. She writes, just like your name, you are Shubha. I just saw your Singhara recipe. I like how you give accurate measurements and explain why you do what you want to do. You have good presentation style and a voice to match. Your tips show how much homework you do before shooting a video. I want you to go places with your cooking. Just subscribe. Thank you so much, Ansigma, for your beautiful, beautiful, lovely words. And yes, one special line touched my heart. That is, I do my homework before shooting my videos. And yes, it's absolutely correct. Before posting a video, there are a lot of things that goes into it, days of hard work. And yes, I am so glad you noticed my hard work, because I don't want a recipe to be just posted. I always feel a person should be connected and should know what is the basic recipe, and once you see my recipe you should be tempted to try it. That's my motto, and I always wish this continues. The love you share always continue. Thank you so much for all your love. And this recipe of street style classic masala Maggi is very rustic and very classical in Indian culture, because we get a variety of this, and gradually I'll upload more versions of this. I do make a lot of variations in this, so stay tuned in my channel for all other lovely recipes. If you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.